If you think leaf blowers are only for raking season or that cordless models don't have enough grunt to move wet, heavy debris, you haven't seen what happens when you pack 620 CFM and 150 miles an hour of hurricane force air into an 8-pound machine. Actually, let me show you that right now real quick. All right, I'm back, and this is the WOLFBOX MT600 Cordless Leaf Blower. Now, WOLFBOX built a huge reputation in the automotive tech, but they've now stepped into garden and garage gear with some seriously impressive gear. Underneath this sleek shell sits a high-efficiency brushless motor running on a 40-volt dual battery system. It feeds off of two 20-volt lithium-ion packs working simultaneously. And the best part, you don't need two separate wall outlets or double the charging time. They include a dual-port fast charger that tops both batteries back at the exact same time in about 2 hours flat. On top, you've got full push-button 4-speed control plus a dedicated turbo mode when you need that extra boost of power. It comes with two distinct nozzles, actually. A wide sweep round nozzle, perfect for cleaning out massive lawn areas, long driveways, and thick leaf piles. And then there's also the flat concentrator nozzle. This turns the MT600 into an absolute precision tool, ideal for blowing water off your car after a wash, detailing wheels, cleaning out the garage corners, or clearing workshop sawdust. And even with both batteries locked in, it weighs under 9 pounds. They even include an adjustable shoulder strap so your arms and wrists don't wear out when you're working on larger properties. On paper, 620 CFM and 150 miles an hour sounds awesome. But specs don't mean anything until you put the tool through real-world torture tests. You've actually been watching me do this in the background. I've spent the last couple weeks putting the WOLFBOX MT600 through its paces. I blew out some soaked debris, I cleaned up the garage a little bit, cleared lawn clippings, and even used it to touch up the car after a fresh detail wash, which you've seen, and we're actually going to talk to me while I'm doing that. How did the dual 40-volt batteries hold up? Is that flat nozzle as effective for car detailing as it seems like it's going to be? Let's go talk to me while I'm cleaning the car and explore that one first. All right, let's use the WOLFBOX Mega Thrust 600 to repair this mess that we just made, which is huge. I'm not even using full force because I find when I use full force, it just makes more of a mess. Let's get the light stuff back in place and then we'll go brutal with the full force to clean up the heavy stuff. Captain Obvious is doing this with the wide mouth. I'm gonna switch it over. Let's bump up the power. Oh, look at that thing go. This is incredible. How about this? Good as new. She's never even gonna notice. That's pretty impressive. Okay, my next big test, which I'm gonna put this up against my DeWalt. I have a Corvette, and us babies with Corvettes actually blow dry our cars so we don't get swirl marks. I'm gonna see if this works as well as my DeWalt. Let's go do that. All right, so here it is, the Mega Thrust 600, and there is no joke in that name. This thing is Mega Thrust. You've seen me make a mess of my yard with it, then clean it up. You've seen Nikki use it. You've seen me clean the car with it, dry it off perfectly. I particularly kind of really like this for that process. And as I told you, one of the concerns that I have is sometimes with these things, when the big Mega Thrust ones suck my shirt in, it did suck my shirt in a little bit, but you see how big this area is that it's sucking with? Didn't affect the performance at all. I could just feel it like tugging on my shirt every once in a while, but that's only because it's got so much mega power. This thing is absolutely so cool. And you even actually, speaking of that, you saw it compete against the DeWalt, and this thing is definitely crushing that little DeWalt. You should absolutely get this for yourself. I'm going to remind you, the brand did provide this to me to do this review, but with absolutely no instructions, and I am thrilled with it. So that's my honest answer. You should get this. There's a link here on the screen. There's another one down in the description. Both of them work the same way to get you the most current pricing for this Mega Thrust 600, which you should definitely take advantage of. It is that time of year for you. For me, it is always that time of year. So I'm excited to have this in my arsenal here. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video. All right, welcome to the past where Sunday and I are now going to unbox this WOLFBOX Mega Thrust 600, which you have seen the test, you've seen the review. Obviously, you wanted to see what this first experience was like opening it. My experience with WOLFBOX so far has been nothing other than breathtaking with everything they've ever sent me. This was provided to me to do this review, but what do you say we open it up, see what's inside here and how it works? Obviously, this is a ultra high performance, still small and light leaf blower. So simple things right here. Okay, everybody at home, this piece does not float when it falls in the pool. Just telling you. Ooh, check this thing out. I haven't seen one of these. That's a cool looking vent. It's gonna be for getting a lot of leaves, like a nice wide, powerful thrust. It's gonna be the charger. 2 batteries at one time. Speaking of those 2 batteries, check these out. 20 volt, 4 milliamp hour batteries. That is a hefty battery. Comes with a strap, which I don't ever really use those, but I can understand why some people do. The second 20 volt unit. Oh, look at the size of this thing. This is mega. This is freaking mega. All right, hold on. Look at this. Let me show you. First off, a couple things I want to show you. Number one, both batteries go on here. And another thing that I like already without even trying it is it draws the air from the back from a nice wide section. Sometimes I find when it draws it like from a narrow section, it ends up like sucked to my side. This way you're always going to get good air. Let's see. Let's put the wet pieces on. I think we'll go with the nozzle style full thrust. No, you know what? I'm going with the wide mouth, the big mouth. Let's go with it. I won't make any mother-in-law jokes. It just snaps on, just so you can see how it goes on so easily. See how it just snaps on? Comes off, goes on, but firmly nice snaps off. That's not coming off. Okay, you ready, kid? You wanna go with 1 power or 2 power? I think we should double up the power, right? I have no idea if it's charged. I could hit the button, couldn't be nothing happens. Whew, it is still lightweight though. This is the control panel. Let's hit the button. Ooh, we got power. Not a lot, but let's bust it up. Turbo. Oh. This is, look at the tree. How crazy is that? Look at that tree move. All right. This is freaking cool. If you needed this to get you over there to get this, there's a link here on the screen. There's another one down below. I need to charge this thing up and do the full test, which you already saw, but I need to go do it myself. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you in the next video.